I'm Ed Heel, the CEO of CSL, and I joined CSL in 2015, initially as the CCO and then moved to become CEO about a year later. CSL was founded 25 years ago. It started life as an alarm signalling company, a UK-focused alarm signalling company, but we've since transitioned to become a European-focused critical IoT connectivity company. So what we do is provide connectivity solutions for critical applications, and they could be telehealth, alarm panels, utilities, critical national infrastructure. The whole IoT sector is growing, and IoT itself is all about getting costs down and efficiency up. So it's always going to be cheaper and more effective to connect a device to get the information remotely than it is to go and visit that site. We've got 2.5 million connections now. We operate in the UK, Benelux, Spain and the Nordics, so European focused, and looking to grow, but for now our focus is squarely on Europe. We're about 170, 180 people just now. I think by the end of this year we'll be 220, and again continuing to grow. The markets we operate in are heavily regulated, standards-driven markets. So on the one hand, that provides a very high barriers to entry because not everybody can operate in those markets, but they also afford us a lot of protection. So we're one of the few people that do operate in those markets. But it also means the services and solutions we provide have to meet those standards, and generally that means they've got to be stable, high uptime, well-supported services. So we are a multi-award winning company, and we've won awards in most of the sectors in which we operate. Our growth strategy involves a lot of investment in underlying tech infrastructure. We've got a new platform that we're going to be launching this year, as well as a bit of internal innovation that we're all very excited about. One of the reasons we're doing so well is that we are a really customer-centric organisation, and that's because we have to be. We have to make sure those connections are live and the devices are connected. So CSL provide a managed service around connectivity. There are a lot of companies out there that don't. They'll just sell you some mobile data or a SIM and then leave it to you to make it work in your device. So we don't do that. We aim to take as much of the pain away from customers as we can. We're a really customer-centric organisation, and that's reflected in the fact that I think our biggest department in CSL is customer service, and they're best in class. So our aim is to be the #1 critical connectivity provider across Europe, and we're well placed to continue growing and to deliver on that strategy.